Out on a group dig with Peaky Finders. We've got 3 fields to play in. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. I think I just got a pistol shot. So I shall reveal it together. Yeah, pistol shot. There you go, 1 pistol shot. Come on, it was a 38. I don't know what that is. I thought it was a bullet end, but it looks like it's got like nail going through there, and possibly through that way as well. So I really don't know. Haven't got a clue. For me, I would say it is, but yeah, don't know. I don't understand why there would be nails going through there, unless it was attached to a bit of wood or something similar to that. I haven't got a clue. Answers on a postcard would be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Right, that was a very weak 16. This ended up being a buckle. Very poor signal. I persevered, as it was the only signal. There was no grunts at all. But yeah, there's a little buckle. Very nice. Very poor signal. I don't know if you can. Doesn't sound very good. However, it's a 23-24. Strap is on the line as well, so I don't know if it's because of these air gaps in the ground as to why they're grunting like that. It's out. Oh, is that a button or a coin? Let's reveal it together. It's got a shank on it. It's a button. Never mind. I thought that was going to be a hammered then, but it's not. It's just a pewter button. Yeah, just a button. Possibly not. Something just fell out. I can see a bit of roundness. There it is. Is it another button? Yes it is, this time with a pattern. Another button. This one's got a pattern on it. Yeah, got a wavy pattern on it. .37-38. Just seem to be getting lead bullets or lead shot and buttons at the moment. That'd be another button. Yeah, another button. Another 4-hole. Never mind. So that's my findings so far. I'm going to do the reveal together. There's a bit of a gold bit there, but I think it's a button. Yeah, it's a button. Look at that gold. Never mind. I just saw the gold. Thought I'd reveal at the same time. Nice little 2-2. 2-2 bullet. Fired and hit its target by the looks of it. But yeah, 2-2 bullet. That bullet. Just a bullet. I'd say a 303. Going by that. Yeah, 303 bullet. Am I on to my first coin, or is it going to be a bloody button? That was a 50. Oh yes. Uh, 1943 sixpence. So be 50%. What's that? George the Sixth. Yeah, George the Sixth, sixpence. Happy days. Happy days. Oh, got another coin in the clod. Yes, it is. A bit crippled up. Not bothered about that. It's another coin. Is it going to be the same era? No. It's definitely a 1 penny. Just want to get a year. $1927. 1927. So that will be George V. I've got a George VI and a George V penny. George V penny and a George VI sixpence. There you go. Another silver. That's it. Who is it this time? George V. Yeah, another silver sixpence. George VI. This one's 1939. Look at the condition of that. I think I've just got a bag seal. Going to be careful with it. A little bit of spray, not much. something Anglo, Continental. Don't know. Something mark. So I presume it says trademark. Don't know. It's the first one I've ever had that's actually got some legible writing on it. So I'm chuffed to bits for that. Chuffed to bits. Nice little bag seal. Yourself?
Yeah, a couple of buttons.
Oh yeah, I've got a few hundred of them.
Right.
Yeah, I wasn't counting the buttons.
One ring pull, I found one ring pull.
Oh really?
That's the only one in the bloody field.
That's normally my trait, finding ring pulls. All I wanted was a penny, and I found a penny.
Yeah.
I was happy. Because all I kept finding... Oh, there's another coin. Another coin. Toasted, but...
Old penny.
I'd say it's a half penny.
Yeah.
Probably a George II or George III, I would have thought. Oh, here we go. What were they looking? It might even be later than that. George, it's definitely a George. 1, 2. George III.
Yeah, right.
Can just make out a bust. 1, 2. Can't see a date, but it's probably one of the best condition ones I've got, because they're normally completely trashed.
Mm.
Might have another coin right down here in the mud. Yeah, another coin. A penny. Who is it going to be? Queen Victoria. Yeah, Queen Victoria. Yeah, Queen Victoria penny. Looks like she's got her veil on. So one of the older ones, or the coin. Looks like we just got ourselves another coin. There's some writing on the outside. I can't make out what it is. So I shall have a look when I get home. But yeah, possibly a farthing. Don't know, actually it might be a little bit too big. Another lonely bullet. Another lonely one. Just sitting there. Looks like a 303. I'm gonna swear, oh my fucking god. Sorry, I have just found my first gold coin. Look at that. Fucking get in there. Oh, sorry for swearing. That is fantastic. Oh, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh my fucking word. That is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I'm going to switch off, take some photos and phone my wife. Oh, dearie me. Chuffed to bits. I'll get back to you. Oh, in fact, let me break it off of the clod. Because I don't know. Oh. Who is that? Give that a spray. Give that a spray. And that is 1908. So is that Edward? Yeah, Edward the 7th. Gold coin. And this is a field that's been done to death. Oh, dearie me. Get in there.